navigating nebulae with nothing left to lose. My Luma's curious eyes watch glowing stardust shimmer, a silent stellar promise from a cosmic dreamer. Orbiting at light speed, feel the gravity shift. Watching constellations, it's an eternal gift. I'm the guardian of the universe tonight. The guardian of the universe tonight. In cyan and teal, a cosmic gown, drifting through nebulae up and down. I trace the stardust, watch the night, a celestial glow, a silent light, guarding all my stars from harm. Rosalina, safe and calm. Ooh. Floating past the quiet stars now, a sea of shimmering dust, drifting in your gentle orbit, leaving all the hurry and the rush. You're the gravity I trust. Ooh, yeah. Just a pencil line and a shade of blue, bringing the quiet universe alive with you. A cosmic gaze and a steady hand, guiding the stars across this paper land. Oh, Rosalina, you're the ink in the dream, a galaxy flowing in a gentle stream. Oh, Rosalina, shining in your light, making this little drawing feel so bright. In cyan and teal, a cosmic gown, drifting through nebula